This tutorial is about how to add a picture to your blog excerpt. So in order to do that, you would go into the actual blog post that you created, or if you're creating one at this point in time, then you'll just add to it. There's a sidebar here on the right hand side of the screen. You're going to scroll down to the bottom, and at the very bottom of the sidebar it says Set Featured Image. You're going to click on that, and you could choose whichever image you want from your media library, or up here you can click on Upload Files in the upper left, and you can either drag and drop a picture in or click Select Files. Keep in mind that this is a picture going in an excerpt, so it shouldn't be a huge file. It'll just make your site crawl and load super slow, so resize your image before you upload it. So I'm going to choose this microphone, and I'm going to click this button in the lower right hand corner that says Set Featured Image. Now that I've set the featured image, it'll show up on my blog page with all the other excerpts of the most recent blogs that I've written. It'll have my title, my image that I've set as the excerpt featured image, and a small excerpt of what my blog is about. And I would click this blue Publish button, or if it's already published and it's just something you're editing, it'll just say Save. But this blue button up here is what you would be clicking in order to push that change out to your site or to publish the page and publish the excerpt.